The BGB token in just the last week has surged over 120%, and I think it's got so much further to go, and we're going to talk about all of that in today's video. BGB token comes from the Bitget exchange, which is like the equivalent of the BNB token over on Bitget. It offers a ton of different features on the Bitget exchange, where you can gain early access to top-notch products, some of which have seen gains of over 2,000% in the last year. Launch pool where you can stake tokens for free in order to earn a passive income. You can do things like copy trading, profit sharing. You can vote to list for your favorite new tokens, as well as 20% discounts on your spot fee trading as well. Now, recently we saw FTX collapse, and Bitget moved its market share from around 2% up to around 11%, which is extremely exciting. Because the Bitget is hoovering up a huge portion of the market within the exchanges right now. And that's why we've seen a massive jump in the Bitget price. And if we look into the BGB token right now, we can see this is on the 4-hour chart. We've been booming all the way up. We've had a nice pullback in towards this zone. And for me, this is a very good buy zone, literally as we speak, because we've had not just one rejection to come lower, but we've actually now just had a second one, and it does look like we're gaining volume again, and we could well see a continued push at least up towards this area. Now, this is pretty much unseen territory, and once we're breaking into all-time highs, guys, who knows exactly where it can go, but it tends to mean that we are gonna see an incredible pump towards the upside. Right now, the current value is around 45 cents, but I can see it's getting towards $1 very, very quickly. And if we jump across specifically to the Bitget exchange, Bitget exchange offers lots of different things that you don't necessarily get on other crypto platforms. Well, the bear market's been around. Crypto in general has been pretty quiet, but Bitget's been driving innovation, building a ton of different derivatives products. And what I really like is the launchpad. And I've been featuring this on my Telegram group recently, which is all linked down below in the description. And here they've been basically launching new crypto projects. So they've been finding exciting hype projects. Every day through the year, they're going to be launching a new token, which is extremely exciting. And here's an example of some of the tokens that were launched before last year, and this gives you an idea of where the tokens can go in the future. So these were basically March 2022, and these are current prices right here. And you can see the BOT is up 2,899%. Not up 76%, ZBC 156%. These are incredible returns. We don't quite have the results in yet. We'll wait for the end of the month for those. But this launchpad appears to be finding gems over and over again. Now, jumping across to Twitter, we can see more information here shared by Gracie Chen. You can see that Bitget is now number 2 when it comes to the Bitcoin versus USDT trading pair, just behind Binance. And that is a massive driving factor in the growth of the platform. And if you can imagine what happens in crypto bull markets where tons more people pile in, you can only imagine the success that this exchange is likely to have. And that has a direct implication on the BGB token itself. Now, what's very cool is if you come over to the launchpad and you click on the latest projects, then you can see each of these tokens that are getting launched. And then you can see basically all of these tokens that are getting launched. So this one, as we see, started on the 16th, and then it will go until the 20th. So basically, it's like a subscription period. You can get in early and secure the very best prices. And you can see there's total tickets available, 2,500, and this is a sale price. So basically what it means is you can get the sale price when it launches. Now, that's obviously not financial advice, but buying ICOs or IPOs when you come to stocks or anything like that means getting in early. It means being able to buy before anyone else gets a chance to buy. And obviously, you're going to get a discounted rate, and this is super beneficial. Now, something else that's cool here, we got the launch pool, and you can see down below, you can basically stake different token pairs. Now, these are actually just short periods. So for 4 days here, you can stake IGU in the BGB pool, and that will give you an APY of 72%. Obviously, that's over 4 days, okay? So you need to pro-rata that down to get your percentage returns. I did this one the other day using the Mars DAO and made a good bit of extra passive income on my BGB that I staked in here. And you come down below, you can see all the other tokens and things that are available. And another very cool place to look if you're looking to do some savings. And this is a great time, okay, because it's early on in a bull market, in my opinion. You can see that you can look at APE here and you can get 45% APR on there. Obviously with flexible kind of lockup dates. You can get 8% on USDT, Bitcoin 1%, 4% Ethereum. If you're going to be buying these tokens anyway and anticipating that you're going to hold them throughout the year, then it's a no-brainer that you make a passive income on those tokens. Now, what's cool about the platform as well, there's tons of benefits to signing up. If you go through the link down below in the description, you'll receive a bonus on your deposit. As well as that, if you go to my Telegram group and you have signed up for Bitget and deposited on the platform, Bitget will also pay for you to become a member of my premium Telegram channel where I give out crypto signals on a daily basis, and you'll get a free 1-month trial paid for by Bitget through that. And every day on there, we'll be discussing the different tokens that are going through the launchpad, discussing which are probably the best picks there, so that you can make money on a daily basis, which, believe me, is actually very easy to do given the time and the climate within the crypto market as we move into what is going to be the biggest bull market ever. You can also earn up to 5,005 USDT by completing all of these different things. So come in, give those things a go, guys, and you can make lots of extra crypto, which will obviously save and then is going to grow over time as well. As I mentioned, it is a crypto exchange with tons of different derivative markets. You can trade futures, you can do spot trading. There's also other things like P2P trading. There's other features here like copy trading and endless amounts of new features all the time being added to the platform. So it's a very interesting platform with tons of different stuff going on. They're always doing very generous giveaways as well, so make sure you give them a follow on Twitter and get into my group down below because we're going to be talking about those launchpad tokens every single day. Also, let me know down below if you want a tutorial on how to use a platform like Bitget in order to trade futures or to do anything else on the platform. As well as that, make sure you get in my Telegram down below, and make sure you also sign up to Bitget because you're going to get those free deposit bonuses as well. And what's better than free money? Guys, if you enjoyed today's video and found it useful, then hit that thumbs up button for me. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about trading cryptocurrency, different derivative markets, the BGB token and much more, then make sure you hit subscribe. But let's keep an eye on the BGB token, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.